Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to recreate this easy knotted updo. To start, I left a bit of hair out to frame the face on both sides. Then I'm going to take all that hair from above the left hand ear to the middle of the back of the head, and I'm just going to loop this around my fingers and pull the ends through to create a simple knot. Pull it tight so it sits against the head, and then use as many bobby pins as needed all the way around that little knot to secure it. Now we're going to take all the hair from the right ear up and again bring this to meet the back of the head and tie it in another knot. Pull it tight to the head. Make sure you position this one close to the first knot and again secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Now just clip those tail ends up on top of the head out of the way for later, and I'm going to divide the rest of the hair in half, and we're just going to create 2 more knots. So wrap them around your fingers to create a loop and then pull the ends through nice and tight and position it just underneath that top knot. Secure with bobby pins all the way around the outside, and then we're just going to do one final knot on that left hand side. Again, positioning it close to the other knots to make sure it's nice and secure. Next, apply some wax spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then pinch and pull at the hair for some texture. Now I'm going to take the tail ends from the top right hand knot, bring it down to the bottom left hand knot, and I'm going to slip a bobby pin on the end. Then I'm just going to pin it into the center of that knot on the bottom left hand side. Then I'm going to take the tail ends from the bottom right hand knot, pull it up to meet the top left hand knot, slip your bobby pin on, and then pin right into the center of that knot. Take the tail ends from the top left knot and we're going to go straight across to the top right knot, pop your bobby pin on and pin it to the center of that right hand knot. And then lastly, we're going to take the tail ends on the bottom left hand side, bring it over to the knot on the bottom right hand side, and then just pin it straight into the center. Now if you've got any tail ends like me left over, all we're going to do is wrap these around a bobby pin until you reach the head, and then just tuck them into the side of the bun. So I've got 2, so just wrap them around and tuck them in underneath. Next, apply some texture powder all over your bun. Again, I'll pop what I'm using in the description, and then gently use your fingers and thumbs to pinch and pull every single loop and twist of the hairstyle for more volume and texture. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.